What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today we got a new arrival. This is our 09 GMC 2500 DURAMAX. Just over 125,000 miles. Rear flatbed, all aluminum. Aftermarket wheels and tires. And this is a fully loaded SLT. So this truck has full power options, factory sunroof, heated seats, leather seats, memory seats, the whole 9 yards. And you can see how beautiful the paint is. You can see the big reflection in the background. Just a very nice truck overall. We just received it in today, so it's got to go through our mechanic shop for full service, and then it'll go through detail and then out here to the truck lot for sale. So you'll see this probably in the next couple of days. It's an extremely nice truck, so it's not going to really need much to be 100% ready. So again, you can see how nice the paint is. All aluminum bed. Tires are knee deep in rubber. It's got a Kurt drop hitch on it as well. And you can see how nice the bed is. I wouldn't say that this bed's maybe more than a couple years old. It's in really good shape. So again, here's the inside. Leathered up, factory sunroof, wood grain trim, heated seats. There's your brake controller. Like I said, a tiny bit of spot right there on the driver's seat. Very common for these for an 09. But the rest of the leather is in very good shape. Said wood grain dash, factory navigation. So this truck is loaded to the gills, and like I said, it's a 09 with only 125,000 miles. These typically don't last too long around here, especially being a DURAMAX, and then with the flatbed upgrade, I don't expect this to last probably more than a couple weeks. So if you're in the market for one of these, make sure you give us a call direct. You can call me at 540-898-1300. You can follow us on our Instagram and YouTube channels. In the bottom right corner, if you're viewing this from our YouTube link, you can click on there to subscribe to see more trucks like this that come up for sale. But we'll probably do another video of this truck too, drive wise. But anyway, 2009 GMC DURAMAX 2500, and she is ready for some towing. Let's go.